all doing great. I am Sushma Sri and I am pursuing my second BSc in Silver Jubilee Government College. And today I want to give you a brief explanation about Hyperloop. Generally, we have four major modes of transportation. They are road transport, water transport, railway transport and air transport. And now a new transportation mode is added to that is Hyperloop transportation system. The Hyperloop concept was first introduced by Tesla and SpaceX founder Elon Musk in 2013. Usually, due to friction and air resistance, vehicles can't move at high speeds. The main theme behind the Hyperloop is to attain maximum speeds by overcoming friction and air resistance. Hyperloop transportations can ferry passengers at a speed of 1200 km per hour in a floating pod which rages along inside a giant low-pressure tube. Hyperloop system is based on VHST, and that is very high-speed transit, which combines a magnetic levitation and low-pressure transit tube. Now let us see what is meant by magnetic levitation. Magnetic levitation is a method by which an object is suspended with no support other than magnetic fields. Magnetic force is used to counteract the effects of gravitational acceleration and any other accelerations. The strong magnetic force is created due to the repulsion of the strong magnets. The Hyperloop system consists of two main parts. There are tube consisting of tracks and capsule carrying passengers. And the capsule consists of air compressor on front, passenger compartment in middle and battery compartment at back. And this is the interior look of the Hyperloop. Only 25 to 30 passengers are allowed in the pod. And now let us understand the working of the Hyperloop transportation system. The tube has almost zero air so that the air resistance is nil. And now the pod is suspended inside through electromagnets fitted around itself. And now the pod starts to levitate due to the repulsion of the magnets which are placed on underside of the pod and on the track. Thrust from linear motors propels the pod forward, or we can say that the pod gets accelerated by linear electric motor. Solar panels are used to fulfill power requirements of Hyperloop. Though tube tracks are designed to have vacuum inside, they are not free of air completely. In order to reduce the resistance further, the front of the capsule has a compression fan that takes the air and redirects it to the back of the capsule to provide additional propulsion. This redirected air is sent to the air bearings in order to reduce the friction. Thus, the pod is free from friction and air resistance, so it can attain maximum speed. And the tube track is designed to be immune against bad weather and natural disasters such as earthquakes. And this is how Hyperloop transportation system works. Hyperloop came to India in 2017 and has been working with the Maharashtra state government on the Mumbai-Pune project to build the world's first Hyperloop corridor of a distance 140 kilometers. Hyperloop successfully completed its first human ride test in India, and many other countries across the world tested Hyperloop for their countries for different routes, especially between two megacities. And let us see advantages of the Hyperloop transportation system. Speed. The technology offers very fast speed of transportation, which is twice than that of aircraft. Power consumption. It has very low power consumption because we use solar power in the Hyperloop transportation system. It is low cost transportation system on long run. It is immune to bad weather conditions. It is resistant of earthquakes. It is safe mode of transportation system. And there are few disadvantages of the Hyperloop transportation system, and let us see what are they. It has very high risk to life when something wrong happens to the system. It has limited space in the train and hence people cannot move freely. And initial cost of investment is very high. And this is all about the Hyperloop transportation system. Thank you.